Asa nga ulit yun, yung sinabi mo kayo na gratuity favor.
Public officials shall not solicit or accept directly or indirectly. Yung word na indirectly eh.
Okay, so
Ano siya
ano yun?
sabit eh. Oh, any gift,
Gift,
gratuity, favor,
gratuity, favor,
favor, entertainment,
entertainment.
loan, or anything of monetary value. An award has a monetary value. Then he is prohibited from entertaining that directly or indirectly because it has monetary value, especially in this situation, Your Honor, that it is in the course of his official duty. That is Section 7D, Your Honor, or in connection with any operation being regulated by or any transaction which may be affected by the functions of their office. He is supposed to implement the law. Now, he has already invited reward hunters, if you don't want to call it bounty hunters, Your Honor, to go after Pastor Apollo Sikibuloy, even if our motion for reconsideration with the Department of Justice is still sitting, Your Honor. Even if the Department of Justice has not acted upon the case for 4 years, Your Honor, and all of a sudden, it was resolved in the height of the Senate investigation by Senator Hontiveros, Your Honor. And there is now a warrant of arrest, and we are still questioning the validity of the warrant of arrest, Your Honor. And now, the good secretary is offering the reward from private persons. Note, Your Honor, that PNP did not even offer an award. Why, Your Honor? Because they have their own NAPOLCOM memorandum circulars as to what are the requisites before you can put up an award. That is NAPOLCOM Memorandum Circular 2019 as amended by NAPOLCOM Circular number 2021, Your Honor, the 063. So therefore, Your Honor, the NAPOLCOM is governed, Your Honor, by certain rules as to when you can offer a reward. Yet, the Secretary of Interior and Local Government is all of a sudden is entertaining and is even announcing to the whole world this reward system which is not in accordance with the NAPOLCOM circular, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. You may respond, Secretary Abalos.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Unang-una, sana napakinggan ni Atty. Torion.
Nakikinig po ako.
Yes,
Yes.
dapat lang makinig ka. Ngayon, number 1, ako po ay hindi nag-solicit. Never ako nag-solicit. At hanggang ngayon, wala ako natatanggap ni 5. Wala. Hanggang ngayon po, Mr. Chair. Pangalawa, napakaklaro ng sinabi ng Department of Justice. Andito ngayon ang DOJ. Pagdating sa batas, dapat tignan natin ang sinasabi ng Department of Justice at klarong-klaro ang sinasabi ni Yusek Nicolas Felix T. tungkol dito. At pangatlo, sabihin na natin yung sinasabi ninyo, matagal, etc., etc. Kaya naman tumagal to, hindi siya sumusuko eh. Di pasukuin nyo si Pastor Kibuloy. Kaya nga nagkaroon tuloy ng warrant of arrest eh. Matitigil lamang to kung siya'y harapin niya ito at sinasabi nyo naman kanina. Hindi ko naman sinasabi, klaro naman sinabi ko, he's still to be innocent until his guilt is proven.
Ang drama mo, balus-los.
No? So yun naman po ang aking sagot. And let it be on record na yun po ang posisyon ko rito. Thank you so much,
Your
Mr. Chair.
Just a quick
Thank you, Secretary Abalos. You may respond, Atty. Torion.
with due respect to Secretary Abalos, the problem with this explanation is not it only covers one half of the law. What is prohibited, Your Honor, is that public officials and employees shall not solicit or accept directly or indirectly. The fact that he announced it, Your Honor, even if we say that he did not physically accept the money, but offering the word is already an indirect acceptance of that favor, Your Honor. So therefore, it is covered by the law. And being a high officer of the government, he should have exercised the becoming modesty. Pare, baka bawal ito kasi public official. Baka may kontrata ka sa akin. Baka sasabihin, tatakbo ako ng senador. Baka sasabihin na magsusuporta ka sa akin kasi may kontrata ka sa akin. All of these are being covered within our rules, especially in the light of the fact that Section 3C of RA 3019 likewise prohibits this, Your Honor. That is our only concern here, especially in the light of the fact that we are even questioning the finding of probable cause. the motion for reconsideration, Your Honor, is still pending with the Department of Justice even until now. Yet they allowed the warrant of arrest to be issued. They allowed harassment in the Kingdom of Jesus Christ structures every day, Your Honor, where policemen would be jogging at 5 o'clock in the morning, full of with full battle gear, Your Honor, only clearly to show that they are harassing our members. That is our point, Your Honor.
Thank you, Attorney Torion. Yusek T, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Nais rin namin sumagot dun sa dalawang sinabi ni Attorney Torion. Unang-una tungkol dun sa RA 6713 na sinasabi niya linabag ni Secretary Abalos. Maliwanag naman sa ang pabuya, ang pera, ang salaping maaaring mabigay sa DILG, pinapalabas ni Attorney Torion na ito ay suhol. Hindi ito suhol. Maliwanag sa batas na ito ay magiging suhol kung binigay ito or inulit ito para sa isang pabor. Hindi man nagbibigay ng pabor si Secretary Abalos. Ginagawa lang niya ang kanyang tungkulin, ang aming tungkulin na may patupad ng ating mga batas. Ang pangalawang gusto namin sagutin ay ang pagsabi niya, ang sinabi niya ng DOJ daw ay nagkamali dahil hindi namin na-actionan agad ang appeal laban kay Pastor Kibuloy. Itong issue na to, unang-una, nasa korte na to. Kumbaga, kung gagamitin natin yung sinabi ni Attorney Torion kanina, sub judice na ito. So, kumbaga, sinasabi niya na si Secretary Abalos linalabag ang sub judice rule, ngayon, ginagawa din niya. At bukod doon, ang korte mismo ang nag-issue ng warrant of arrest laban kay Pastor Kibuloy. So, ibig sabihin, para sa korte, may ebidensya at walang mali ginawang ang DOJ doon sa pagdesisyon sa kaso ni Pastor Kibuloy. Yun lang po, Mr. Chair.
If I may, Your Honor,
Thank you, Attorney T. Yusek T.
with due respect po,
Attorney Torion, go ahead.
Undersecretary Te, wala po akong sinabing suhol. Ang sinabi ko dito, yung public official shall not solicit and accept directly or indirectly any gift, gratuity, or favor. Wala po akong sinabi. I just quoted the law as it is, Your Honor. And with due respect to Secretary Abalos, baka meron talaga sipyat po dito. No? Kasi nga, yung Napolcom nga, meron nga silang clear parameters na-explain ko na last hearing po yung Napolcom Memorandum Circular. Kaya siguro yung PNP hindi put up ng reward, because if we will base it on their parameters, Your Honor, yung pinakamataas nga si Sahiron ay 6.7 million lang ata. Si Pastor Kibuloy 10 million. Oo. So, even if we base it upon the parameters of the Napolcom Memorandum Circular, which actually has its own committee, Your Honor, committee on reward. No? They have their generals who will discuss these matters and apply the parameters before they would come up with the reward. They did not even put up that reward. Why? Because Pastor Apollo Kibuloy would not fit into the parameters set by the Napolcom Memorandum Circular. And then, sinabi ko na nagkamali ang DILG, hindi po ako nagsabi nagkamali. Although, nag-file kami ng motion for reconsideration po sa DILG kasi sa tingin po namin, medyo kailangan po yun wastuhin. Pero yung sub judice rule, alam ko po na si Undersecretary Te, alam niya na if you are only discussing as to what happened, as to the procedural incidents of the case, that's not sub judice. But if he has a jurisprudence, Supreme Court decisions which can enlighten me, I am willing to learn, Your Honor. But as of my reading, Your Honor, that is not sub judice. Sub judice happens when you now narrate the declarations of a particular person in his affidavit and ascribe it to be rightful, just like with due respect to Secretary
Go! Attorney Torion!
just like what he did a few minutes ago. That's sub judice.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. I just would like to state for the record that the sub judice rule does not apply in any legislative inquiry. It was already ruled by the Supreme Court. Kung kinakailangan namin yung mga impormasyon na yan galing sa ating mga resource person, sub judice rule does not apply according to the Supreme Court. Kung required yan ng committee. But before I recognize you want to ask question? Okay. After you, Secretary Abalos.